So this is the first robotics competition, and FIRST is an acronym for the inspiration and recognition of science and technology. The first competition happens every year, but there's 6 weeks of regionals leading up to a final World Championship event in Atlanta, Georgia. And at the beginning of the year, the first Saturday in January, the game is announced, and all the teams that have signed up and registered are given 6 weeks to build their robot, and then they have to crate it up and send it off to a shipping area so that it can be shipped to each of their competitions.
The hardest thing to do is making sure everything's ready for a competition, because first, you really only have 6 weeks to build a robot, and it's not a lot of time at all. And plus, you have to get all your PR stuff done, so like getting your word out. And media, you just have to make sure everything's ready to go, and it's a lot harder of a job than people think.
What we're playing right now is called Lunacy. The goal of the game is to get as many balls into the opponent's trailer that is attached to the robot. So we do that by either picking up balls that have dropped on the ground that our players have thrown, and we can either throw it or we can use our robot to shoot it over. Our robot here can't really throw balls. We are basically just herders, so we can just pick them up and then shoot them into the airlock, which other robots can also do, so that the human players can throw more balls into the opponent's trailers. Well, the team with the most balls in the trailers lose, and then the ones with the least are winners.
This competition, it's not entirely about just winning. It's trying to get kids and just teenagers and high school students interested in science and technology and going into careers in science and technology, specifically robotics or engineering.